Welcome back! In our previous video, we learned how to make your subtle sales enhancements multilingual. Today, we'll continue on the same path, extending our approach to another powerful sales enhancements plugin, WooCommerce Checkout Upsell Funnel. Similar to the WooCommerce Boost Sales plugin, you'll locate input fields for front-end text in different languages within the settings of the upsell funnel. Navigate to the design settings of both the upsell funnel and order bump settings, and you'll find these language options. For upsell funnel, note that design settings are applied universally to all rules. Simply input your desired content into these fields, and you're good to go. Now, when it comes to order bump, each rule has its individual design settings. Follow the same process, fill in your text as needed, and you're all set to enhance your sales strategies effortlessly.